Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to One Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to run FL Studio on Android device. So let's go. You can see that I'm gonna open my FL Studio on Windows 10. Now you can see that this is my interface. Now click on the add button and now you can see a menu bar like this one. Now scroll down and click on the FL Studio mobile. Now click on that. Yep, it's done. You can see that it's already working as Android device. So guys, you can run FL Studio on Windows 10 like just click on that. Here have all features of FL Studio mobile versions. So thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button. Let's see you in the next videos.